praktikalan at diskarte na lang daw ang laban sa generation ngayon, okay lang ba na hindi makakuha ng diploma? I think
Malaking topic yan, no?
Yeah.
Can I say something?
Diploma or
Do you
no
need to go to
diploma?
the structured na dapat, hindi, grade school ka, high school, college diploma, or street smarts ka, diskarte, okay lang ba? Kayo, anong opinion nyo doon?
Can I say something?
Yeah, go Chess.
Okay, in my opinion kasi, diploma, yan yung kumbaga, dapat,
Yeah.
di ba? Ideal sa ating lahat. Dapat magka-diploma tayo. But then, diploma, ideal lang naman siya. Pero, kasi, syempre, para may fallback tayong lahat, trabaho, ganito, ganyan, corporate ladder, and all that stuff. Pero, importante pa rin talaga sa buhay na alam mo kung paano ka mabuhay, paano mo bubuhayin yung sarili mo, which comes in yung diskarte. Kasi, marami naman kasing tao na wala namang diploma, pero tingnan mo, ang yaman-yaman, sobrang successful sa life, narating nila yung gusto nila. Dahil sa diskarte nila, alam nila yung mga do's and don'ts in life, alam nila kung ano yung gawin. But also, mas mabuti pag both kayo may diploma and diskarte, 'di ba?
Totoo.
Oo.
Pero sa akin naman kasi na
Go.
pwede kang yumaman gamit diskarte lang, pero pag may diploma kasi it helps you get your foot in the door kasi.
Yeah.
Makes it easier na magsimula. Tsaka kung kahit anong mangyari, yung diploma kasi, fallback mo talaga siya. Pwede kang mag-apply ng trabaho as long as may diploma ka. And ako rin personally, kasi right now I have my problem with school, like with my schedule and everything, so it's kind of hard to be on time. Pero as much as possible, gusto ko pa rin magkaroon ng diploma.
Yeah, kasi safety net 'yun eh.
Backup plan.
Oo,
Backup
safety
plan.
net nyo yun. So whenever you fall, that's my net doon, which is your diploma.
Safe ka.
Safe in
Safe ka.
life.
Parang safety net.
Para
Safety net
Doon
nga.
pala nanggaling yung safety net.
Oo.
Okay.
Diba kasi, when we fall, we need to get back up.
Okay.
Well,
Vince.
sa akin naman, sa family ko, importante talaga na makagraduate.
Graduate.
Yun talaga yung sinabi ng dad ko. Hindi ka mag-aartista hanggang sa hindi ka nakakagraduate. Pero sa awa ng Diyos, pinagbigyan niya ako na pagsabayin yung school and yung pag-aartista. And nakita ko din naman yung value nung education na yun eh. Like, ngayon nagagamit ko siya sa business, ganun, since marketing yung tinapos ko. And para sa akin, sobrang importante talaga ng diploma. Sobrang importante. Yung diskarte, matututunan mo lang din naman yan sa mga taong kasama mo eh. So para sa akin, huwag niyo problemahin yung diskarte, problemahin niyo yung diploma. Kung paano
Kasi
mo
yun yung
makukuha.
mahirap.
Kasi yun yung mahirap.
How about you, Michael?
Ako kasi yung opinion ko dyan, hindi lang diskarte ang kailangan pag you're choosing the route not to get a diploma. Kailangan mo tiyaga. Kasi halimbawa, pagiging artista, you don't get income as much as fast. Like especially
and as often and
as
regular
often,
na
itong struggles ng mga aspiring actors
Freelance,
like us.
technically.
Freelancing.
Freelance.
Na pag when you're at starting talaga, it's just like the corporate ladder, you're starting. Ganun talaga eh. You're starting pa lang. Starting wage, starting everything. So you really have to find ways na, kumbaga, kailangan mo magtiis eh. There's certain things na hindi mo ma-afford agad. Halimbawa, sa industry natin, showbiz, right? So, kailangan laging pogi, laging you have to buy clothes. So, may pagtiyaga and diskarte yung kailangan. And if you go this route, you really have to be determined. Kasi pag ganito, konting lang, mawala agad sa'yo lahat eh. Kumbaga, konting mali lang, wala ka na, hindi ka na pwede ka ma-artista. Or if you don't do good on your show, wala na. Next person na in line.
Actually, sa mga nanonood dyan, hindi nila alam, but mga artista, we're very disposable people nga eh.
Yes,
And I don't think you guys realize that.
That's a
dami.
sad
Yeah.
reality.
Pwedeng
Sad reality.
palitan
Ang
agad-agad.
dami-daming mas pogi, ang
Yeah.
dami-daming mas talented.
Yeah.
Eventually, may
Exactly.
mga bago ng Gen
Yeah.
Z, ano yung sunod na?
Showbiz isn't
Oo.
forever.
At meron
Yes.
ring hindi naman ganun kapogi, hindi naman ganun kaganda. Pero dahil sa sipag, tiyaga, and determination
Tama.
nila, boom.
Tama.
And comes with luck, boom.
Oh,
Yeah,
tsaka malay nyo. Bigla kaming palitan ng host ng ATM.
Oh,
Wag naman.
Wala mang ganun.
Wag naman ganun.
Sana hindi mapalitan, madagdagan.
Madagdagan.
Wag na.
next episode, biglang iba na.
Baka maguga ka, makulture shock lahat ng mga
Ganun lang kadali. Ganun eh. No?
Yeah, pero kung masasabi ko sa diploma, siguro yan talaga yung formula. I mean, it's good. That's why I idolize
Tried and
Vince.
tested, proven to work.
Yeah.
diploma.
Yeah.
Oo.
Kumbaga, you're not gonna, everybody goes his path. It's the norm for everybody, right? So if you want to play safe, ganun talaga. But pag nakuha mo yung diploma, not necessarily play safe ka na your whole life.
You can do
could
whatever
many
you want,
things,
ah.
Yeah. But it's just like a good foundation.
That
That's
is true.
something I still want. Like you guys have diplomas na, ako gusto ko talaga makatapos, pero mixing it both, passion and diploma, mahirap eh.
Tsaka
Time
maganda
yung kailangan.
Maganda yung sinabi mo kasi after mo makuha yung diploma mo, wala ka naman ng structure eh. You're on your own.
Yeah.
How you want to use your diploma, kung anong diskarte mo, pwede mo nga siyang pagsama eh.
Yeah.
Kung paano mo gagamitin yung diploma mo, yung experience mo sa school with the
Oh.
real world.
Yeah, ang
Tsaka-
debate lang dyan is, ba't kailangan pagawin ng calculus? Ba't
agree.
kailangan pagawin ng mga certain
Trigonometry.
subjects?
Pero for
Yes.
me kasi ganito, for me ang school or diploma, para sa akin, a couple of things with school. Number one, mahalaga ang eskwelahan kasi at the end of the day, meron tayong structure sa lipunan na to na we
Yes.
base everything on certain merits na
Tama.
kailangan nakikita ko sa papel, ano ba yung, paano ba kita huhusgahan sa grades mo, sa natapos mo, ano ba yung mga orgs mo nung college ka, whatever.
Yeah.
Number two, ang eskwelahan para sa akin, kaya medyo mahalaga rin siya. At hindi ito tinuturo sa eskwelahan, pero depende kung saan kang school, but sometimes yung connections.
Totoo.
connections,
Pinag-uusapan natin kanina yun about business. Kanina may sinabi kayo na may mga magbabarkada na kapag tayo sila ng business or something. Most likely, schoolmates yan mga yan.
Oh,
Oo.
Schoolmates.
Most of the time.
Expertise yan ni
Ang partner ko
Vince.
sa Nashville,
DLSU.
schoolmate ko siya, best friend
Ayun.
ko.
Diba?
Oo.
So,
Yeah.
malaking bagay yung connection. Finally, syempre, I think, pagdating sa street smarts or diskarte, palagi ko naman pagdating sa education, I mean, schools teach you how to critically think. Pero sa panahon ngayon, internet, you could Google most of the things. Pero iba
Yeah.
pa rin pag dumaan ka sa eskwelahan, matututo
Totoo.
ka paano mo salain yung...
Yes. As you apply it to your
Yeah,
everyday
yeah.
life. For example, like calculus, algebra. Yung mga problems na di ba ang hirap,
Yeah.
kailangan mo i-substitute.
I've
like
never
this.
applied it in my life.
Really? Pero if you look at it as an analogy, parang there's certain things that it shows you that you tackle a problem by multiple ways eh. Di ba, sa isang formula, halimbawa, may formula ka nga. Mas may problema ka sa itong buhay, may formula ka pwede i-solve. Or kung may isa-substitute ka, pwedeng gawin. Hindi mo lang ma-realize na hindi lang siya about the numbers. But if you take it to account, it teaches the brain na we can move different ways. Iba-iba ang attack.
Yeah. So pretty much school is like a training ground for everybody on
Yeah.
like para sa life.
Just
Kumbaga-
teaching us how to live with structure.
Yes.
Yes.